Welcome to Innoblue Labs, the epicenter of innovation for the youth of Atlantic Europe. Here, ideas turn into projects that transform communities and create positive impact. In our cutting-edge project, we foster creativity and entrepreneurial spirit. Innoblue Labs is more than just a space, it's a community where collaboration is the key to success. Innoblue Labs participants gain access to a network of expert mentors, unlimited resources, and specialized workshops. Here, every young person has the opportunity to learn, grow, and lead. Connecting with other innovators and industry professionals is just the beginning. Innoblue Labs opens doors to a future full of possibilities. Innoblue Labs empowers young people with technical and leadership skills, turning every day into a learning opportunity. Ready to take the next step? Visit our website to learn more and sign up. Join us on this exciting journey of discovery and creation. At Innoblue Labs, we believe in the power of the blue economy. We drive projects that protect our oceans and promote sustainable development. Together, we are building a future in harmony with the sea. Discover the power of your ideas at Innoblue Labs. Change begins with you.